In the modern era, various sections of people have disciples at various levels. There are disciples for sports stars, celebrities of movies, political leaders, etc. Every way of following involves a certain amount of time, dedication, and even resources of money at times. With regard to human living, we follow our own voice of conscience on a daily basis. Often in life, for many reasons, we take the wrong direction looking for happiness only in things or in the people whom we treat as things. In the varied context of India, a great challenge is being posed to be an authentic and true disciple of Jesus. While Elijah allows Elisha to go back in order to fulfill the latter's wish, Jesus takes initiative at one instance, and a rejection is offered to the one who expresses his desire to follow him. Jesus demands absolute readiness to follow him. If we want to follow Jesus, we must follow the path he himself traced out, the path of service. Our fidelity to the Lord depends on our willingness to serve. The more we serve, the more we feel God's presence, especially when we serve those who have nothing to give us in return, the poor, and when we embrace their difficulties and needs with tender compassion. This way, we are in turn loved and embraced by God. Pope Francis moves a step forward and says, being a disciple is not a prize, but a call to be a mediator.
Lord, help us be your true disciples always.